Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a negative balance using Rocket Money on iPhone. First, open the Rocket Money app on your phone and sign in. Right on the home screen, you will see all your linked bank account. If one of them is negative, it will usually show up in red. Tap on the account. Now you can see exactly why your balance went negative. Scroll down and look at your recent transaction. Most of the time it caused by subscription, automatic bills or small charge that add up. Next, tap on the subscription tab at the bottom of your screen. This is very important. Rocket Money lists all recurring payment in one place. Look for anything you don't recognize or no longer use. If you see something unnecessary, tap it and choose cancel or lower the bill. This stop more money from using your account. After that, go back and tap spending or budget. Rocket Money shows how your money is going and how much you spend. If your spending is higher than your income, lower the budget is categories like food, shopping or entertainment. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.